All right, guys, this is Brad. He's got the man-witch.
What the?
Hey, y'all, Fuller again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. This is a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 riding on a 6-inch BDS and some 20x10 fuels and 35's. Let's go. All right, guys, like I said, 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 6-inch BDS. So you come on in here, you can see this complete lift strut. So you don't have a giant block on top. This is actually a nice lift strut. You get new control arms and everything to correct your angles, and then CV axle spacers so that you don't keep blowing through all your components down here. So it rides pretty decent also. So wheels, tires, 20x10 fuel lethal. You can see this is a black finish. Not sure if it's just dark outside or the way that this wheel is, but it's not quite as like a hyper gloss. It's a little more towards the satin finish, so it looks pretty sharp on there. Satin black cap as well. It does have the milling around the outside, as well as in the center of these spokes here. It's a split spoke design with the rivets along the face. For tires, you got the Nitto Trail Grapplers. This is a 35 tall by 12.5 wide. So you can see the 12.5 wide sitting on a 10-inch wide wheel. Does give you a little bit of sidewall protection because that sticks out further. Overall stance coming down the side, if you back up and take a look, you're sticking out right about the 2.5 to 3 inch mark. This tire's a little turned in, but right around 2.5 or 3 inches. Trimming. In the front, you take out a pretty large chunk of this valance. You have to take out quite a bit there to get that to clear. And then inside, the fender liner is pushed forward. So it's not trimmed at all. You can just push it forward. It's a whole bunch of empty space in front of it. You just shove that up there and secure it in. You can use zip ties or whatever you please to do so. And in the back, we just go in and you tap back some metal behind here with a hammer, button it back up, close down there. It still rubs at full turn in reverse, but he's gonna put fender flares on here, so we're not quite done with it yet. So when he comes back, then we'll trim it up completely. We'll just kind of walk out and show you the rest of the truck. It does have the color matched mirror caps. Now that's just a factory option, which comes on these Silverados. The color matched tint, so there's about 20% there on the front windows as well as the rear. It does have the tonneau cover as well. Then obviously no fitment problems in the back. You can see that wheel and tire fits in there fine. And then in the rear, he does have the upgraded Fox shocks as well. Lastly, in the back, the black bow tie. Sharp look on this white truck. We'll swing up to the front here, give you a peek at the inside. Plain, simple interior. The only thing done here is the steering wheel cover, camouflage steering wheel cover. But you guys always like to see the inside, so we'll keep showing you the inside. Chevy does a nice job with the interiors. Lastly, up front, we'll just kind of give you a peek at this. This is the 17, so you get the different bumper with the fog lights in them and everything like that. Really nice projector housings and the LED strips here. So overall, really clean truck. Pretty happy with how this one turned out. That's about it. So if you guys like this video, please like it on YouTube, please like it on Facebook or wherever you're watching it. And then make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube. It's youtube.com/Custom Offsets TV. Peace.